Students, today we are going to learn some new part of our grammar, English grammar. So first, we shall discuss about sentence. Do you know the meaning of sentence? A sentence is group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. But every complete sentence contains two parts. For making meaningful sentence, each sentence is divided between two parts. Do you know exactly which are they? First part of sentence is subject and second part is predicate. So today we shall learn about the parts of sentence, subject and predicate. So subject means what? Subject is what or whom the sentence is about. It means what? It means about whom or what the sentence is written and which word or which group of words tell information about that person, that thing. It means subject. Subject means a doer of the sentence. Means सेंटेन्समध्ये ज्या व्यक्तीविषयी माहिती सांगितलेली असते, ज्या वस्तूविषयी माहिती सांगितलेली असते, ती वस्तू किंवा ती व्यक्ती, इट मीन्स सब्जेक्ट, द डूअर ऑफ द सेंटेन्स who performs the action in the sentence. It means subject. Subject is the person or thing doing the action in the sentence. It means what? Look at the sentence. He was eating a sandwich. In this sentence, who was eating a sandwich? Otherwise, who was doing the action of eating a sandwich? कोण ॲक्शन करत आहे या सेंटेन्समध्ये खाण्याची? ही. It means he is a doer in this sentence. He is performing an action of eating a sandwich. And who performs the action in the sentence? That word, that thing, that person, it means subject. So in this sentence, who is the subject? He is a subject because he was doing the action of eating a sandwich. Subject generally comes before the verb. Look at this sentence. Ravi plays football. So first we have to identify verb. Which is verb in this sentence? Plays is a verb and subject generally comes before the verb. म्हणजे वर्बच्या अगोदर येणारा शब्द किंवा शब्दांचा समूह म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट. सो विच वर्ड इज रिटन बिफोर द वर्ब, बिफोर द प्लेस? रवी. दॅट इज वाय रवी is a subject in this sentence. So students, how to identify subject from the sentence? Some tricks are here and it will be helpful to you to find the subject which is used in the sentence. First trick is ask who or what from the sentence. It means what? You have to ask question to the sentence. Who or what by using who or what words. How will you ask question? See. Use who for person. If in the sentence information is given about a person, so use who word. And if in the sentence information about a thing is given, so use what word. How will you ask question? See. When in the sentence a person performs an action, that time we have to use who word. For example, in first example, I bought a new mobile. Ask question by using who, because in this sentence information is given about a person. So use who. Who bought a new mobile? You will get answer, and that answer will be our subject. Who bought a new mobile? I bought a new mobile. It means I is a subject in this sentence. Our second sentence, she is very pretty. Who is very pretty? We are going to ask question by using who, because person is here. Information is given about a person in this sentence. That is why we have to use who. So use who and ask question, who is very pretty? And answer will be our subject. So which is our answer? She is very pretty. She is our answer. So she is a subject in this sentence. Sometimes two subjects are used in a sentence. So let's see how to find two subjects from a sentence. Look at this example. My brother and sister went village. In this sentence, who went village? My brother went village or my sister went village? Both went to village. It means my brother and sister both are subject in this sentence, because both has done the action in this sentence of going. Did you understand? My brother and sister both are subject in this sentence. Look at the second sentence. Sonu and Monu are playing on the ground. Who are playing on the ground? Only Sonu or Monu? Both are playing on the ground. That is why Sonu and Monu both are subject in this sentence, because both are performing an action of playing on the ground. That is why Sonu and Monu both are subject in this sentence. Now, let's try to ask question by using what. When the sentence is telling us about the information of a thing, that time how will you use what word for asking the question, for finding subject from the sentence? Let's take a look to a first example. The sky is gray. So use what for finding subject from this sentence. What is gray? The sky is gray. That is why the sky is subject in this sentence. Look at the second sentence. Ice is very cold. What is very cold? Which answer will you get? That answer, it means the subject. So which is our answer? Ice. Ice is very cold. That is why ice is a subject in this sentence. Third example, honesty is the best policy. Use what for asking question? What is the best policy? Honesty is the best policy. That is why honesty is the subject in this sentence. We shall move to a second trick. And what is it? Generally, subject comes before verb. It means what? We shall try to understand through the examples. First example is Radha writes a letter. In this example, we have to identify first verb and then we can identify subject easily. So, how will you identify verb? Let's see. Radha writes a letter. Which is verb in this sentence? Writes is a verb in this sentence, and subject comes generally before the verb. So which is subject in this sentence? Radha is a subject in this sentence and it is used before the verb. Look at the next example. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. In this sentence, which is a verb? Flying is a verb and are is used before the main verb. What is are? Are is a helping verb. So, what did you understand? Before the helping verb, subject comes. Did you understand? Before the verb or before the helping verb, subject comes in the sentence. So, we shall learn how to identify the subject from the sentence which has helping verb. Which is subject in this sentence? I is a subject. So let's move towards the helping verb. It is helping verb in this sentence. Am is a helping verb in this sentence. Helping verb means auxiliary verb also. Let's move towards main verb. Main verb is drinking. We have learned helping verbs come before the verb. And should we add helping verb in the subject? No, it is wrong. Helping verbs are used before the verb and we do not add am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had in the subject. See, second sentence. My father has bought a car, which is a verb in this sentence. Bought is a verb and which is helping verb. Has is a helping verb and subject comes before the verb or before the helping verb. So which is subject in this sentence? My father is a subject in this sentence. Now we shall learn about the second part of sentence. Predicate is the second part of sentence. Predicate tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Predicate always tells us what the subject is doing in the sentence or which is a subject in the sentence. Predicate tells us about that. Let's start to identify the predicate from the sentence. Predicate always tells something about the subject. How? We shall learn with the help of examples. The cat is sleeping under the table. Who is sleeping under the table? The cat. It means the cat is subject and which group of words are telling us more information about the cat. The action of the cat is sleeping under the table. So, which is predicate in the sentence? Is sleeping under the table is predicate because we have to start our predicate from the helping verb or from the verb. Okay, did you understand? The cat is subject and predicate is sleeping under the table. Abhi is swimming in the pool. What the subject is doing in this sentence? Is swimming in the pool. It is called predicate. Abhi is a subject and is swimming in the pool is predicate in this sentence. It is telling us information about the subject. Predicate generally starts from the verb or helping verb. Let's try to understand with the examples. He reads storybooks. So first identify the verb from this sentence, which is a verb. Reads is a verb in this sentence. That is why reads story books is predicate in this sentence and he is a subject. Second example, my mom has baked cake for me. In this example, has is a helping verb and our predicate starts from helping verb, otherwise verb. That is why has baked cake for me is predicate in this sentence and my mom is a subject in this sentence. I hope students you have understood very well parts of sentence, subject and predicate.